Hello, Kate here from the Chiro Retreat. Today I'm going to go over one of my favorite lower back stretches. If you are someone who sits down a lot, does a lot of lifting, plays a lot of sport, a lot of twisting motions, and this is a fantastic stretch for yourself. What you want to do is be stretching out these muscles here on our side waist. What they do is they're responsible for sideways flexion and also rotation type movements, okay? So you're simply going to put your hands on the wall. You're going to cross your leg over in front, and then you're going to come up to what I call a ballerina stretch, okay? That's a really nice stretch. It's going to be pulling all the way along down here, and you're going to hold that stretch for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're then going to move your hand to the wall like this, and then you're going to drop your head, and what you're going to do is find that stretch will go a little bit deeper, okay? Now, if you're someone who's not very flexible or quite tight, you might just simply bring your hand over to your opposite hand. If you're someone who has a lot of flexibility, then you might be bringing that all the way around and getting a deeper stretch like that. Okay, you want to hold those stretches for about 30 to 60 seconds. Of course, you're going to do both sides. This is a really nice stretch to do in the shower as well. You've got the shower wall, you've got the hot water running down on your lower back, so it's a really nice combination. Give those stretches a go, and of course, reach out if you have any questions.